Hi everyone, so my example is number 4 from section 10.6. It's the infinite series from n equals 1 to infinity, got negative 1 to the n times 1 over n plus 6, and the question asks whether this converges absolutely, conditionally, or if it diverges. And what I really like about this last week's homework and stuff is that it's kind of easy to eyeball some of these problems and know where to start. So obviously this looks a lot like the alternating series test, which is the infinite series of n equals 1 to infinity, and this looks very similar. Here you got negative 1, n plus 1, but you get a un. So that's equal to u sub 1 minus u sub 2 plus u sub 3, yada yada yada. So it has a couple conditions, or a few conditions, and that's the limit as n goes to infinity, our un will equal 0, and our uns is positive. Maybe that should have been r. Uns are positive, and eventually non-increasing. So the alternating series of negative 1 to the n u sub n and negative 1 n minus 1 u sub n will converge. So we can go ahead and attempt that anyway. So just say the limit as n approaches infinity of 1 over n plus 6, obviously this is going to get really big, so we'll eventually get to 0. So this does converge, but conditionally. Because the absolute value of our un will diverge. So our original function here, formula, will converge, but the absolute value will diverge. So that leaves us with conditional convergence. And I believe the question has 6 or so different options to choose from. And I think they have converge absolutely as one of them, but this would converge conditionally based off of the alternating series test and also the limit comparison test, which you could do pretty easily, come to the same conclusion. Which is also interesting about this stuff is that you can kind of go about these kind of by maybe not using tables exactly, but kind of a checklist. Like, does this seem like this? Does that seem like that? What should I start with? But yeah, I enjoyed this one. I enjoy the alternating series examples. They seem kind of interesting. All right, short video. I know it's late. All right. Good luck with everyone. This probably wasn't very helpful, but I found it interesting. So, all right, good luck.